Hey guys, today we're just gonna play some Play-Doh. That was just my sister's. This is her. She's watching some Big Hero 6. Yeah.
You don't know that movie.
She don't want to get done, baby. Let's continue on the video. So, we're just gonna make a snowman maybe, because I don't know what to make. Yeah. And yeah, maybe. As you can see there, I already made the ball and the very dumb part thing. I'm gonna just get more some clay. Clay. Do. I know. So we need to get 3 layers, and hands is like, never mind. So let's make another ball. Sorry, that was so you know. Here. There we made the second part, the middle part. Now we're just gonna do the top part. And my nails is with Play-Doh. Oops. The middle part fell. I'm gonna fix it later. Here, I'll fix it. There we go. Now the top part. Don't fall. It will fall. Now we're just gonna need some eyes and nose and a mouth and arms. Yep. Yeah. So let's make the carrot nose. Let me get the snowman. Put it right there, Mr. Snowman. And let's get that right there. There we go. Now the mouth. Mouth is going pretty long. Just fine cutting them with my fingers. And there we go. Perfect mouth. It's weird. Now we're just gonna make the arms. This is going pretty fast. There we go. We made some arms, and now we're just gonna make the hat maybe. But sorry. Or I think we're finished. Bye.